I won't. Oh, these handguards are amazing. So these handguards are amazing. I didn't think I would like notice them so much. Oh. One of these days I'll hit that jump. Yeah, it doesn't look bad at all. Give it a little crank right before. Yeah. Because you know me, got to case it a few times before I actually land it. It's good. Oh, straighten out. Phew. Do that a lot faster. Whew. Oh no! Oh, I almost lost it. Oh no! Oh, come on, Aaron. Damn, the rain really exposes all the rocks. Whew. Whew. Oh. Oh, that was good. Oh, I got a little off on the waterfall.
It's a little rough right now. It's almost easier when it's looser.
Yeah, I was gonna say, when there's like the water just cleans everything off the rocks. Yeah.
Yeah, that dust will make it look nice.
That was fun though. Feels really good. So right at the fork, right? Yeah. I know all these lines, just stay right. And at the end, you gotta go wide in order to line up. that dried out. A bit drier over here. Hang guards, man. Luxury. Ooh, shoot up. All right, I know all the lines. Easy. Oh, nasty rat there. Gotta stay out of those. Oh. Nice and balanced. Ah, there we go. Oh, oh. Damn it. The big nasty rat. Look at this. The view makes it look like you're just going straight down, which I mean pretty much are. Oh, ah, damn it. Whew. Go wide. Hell yeah. Oh man. Woo. Well, I gotta speed that up a little bit through some of those sections, but damn, that is so fun. Wow. Definitely need to go faster. Ooh. Oh man, look at that view. Eek. Jeez. That's insane. Right? This right? All right. Oh, nice. Oh. I don't know how to rail them like that. I don't know how to do it. It's like the one thing I still haven't learned. Oh. Oh. A lot of loose rocks. Oh. Whew. Oh. Oh, that's the way, huh? There's that rock. Oh God, that is so awkward. Oh my God. Yeah. Oh yeah. Woo! Oh man. I think there's a lot I can do to speed that up. Get ready to turn right fast.
If not,
it's a good thing I'm better at turning left.
you just turn, you know, run into bushes like that.
Oh, hold on, let me put my sleeves down. All right, let's see. See if I can commit on the first one. I have. It's hand guards, baby. Jeez. Tight. Very tight. Oh, damn, dude. This guy's crazy. It's crazy. Ah. No way. No way. Oh. No way. Dude, I can't even see past the Hold on, I gotta look at this. This is not bad, but you can't even, I can't even see what's behind that.
It's just a roll. Yeah, like, you're pretty much not that much time to brake.
You have to go, it just like stop in between pretty much, right?
I don't think you're gonna be able to. Because after carrier speed, you can,
Oh, geez.
you can brake a little bit, and then it's just to roll into this nice berm.
Oh, this is gnarly, dude. I mean, I can see the smoothness of it all, but I don't think I have that right now, dude. Jeez. Yeah, no way. You're crazy, bro. Let me look at it one more time.
Do you think you can stop in between?
No. That's what, that's the only part that scares me is like,
Transition.
yeah, because if you go too fast, then you have to pull up, and then you're just gonna.
Pull up.
Well, like if I go too fast through this, if I can't brake enough. This is all good. This is all. It's just that notch. I'm gonna save it for when I'm up in the 90s. I'm a little low on that right now.
What if you just hike your bike to the middle and then do the second part?
Now that I've seen it though, hiking down is always so much harder than riding down. That's a short.
That's kind of nice. You got a full stop.
I need flats for this, dude. I totally need flats for this. Some people can like really balance like that. Oh, damn it. That was kind of the way to do it. I need flats, dude, for this. Damn, I know. I'm right there. Ah. I was kind of feeling it. Thanks, man. Bummer. If there was a... Hell yeah. If I was able to roll in with more of a runway, I would have no problem doing that. Really scary going in. There's another one of those.
Does it have a turret? just a big compression at the end, and there's a run out.
Can I see it? Look at it from here? Or?
Yeah. You can ride up and stop.
Okay. Oh, wow, dude, really? Yeah, you are. You're in a little bit of a pickle there, dude. Are you all right?
Yeah, it's just nice washed out.
Yeah. Well, that doesn't give me any additional confidence. Just in case someone comes. Yeah, once you're on it, you're on it. I gotta go.
I've done that before here.
What, overshooting that?
Sal did a very good job on this berm.
Holy dude, that's like looks like a pull-up. You actually roll that?
If you look at it from here, I don't know where I exited.
From right here, it looks mandatory pull-up. How do you? Oh, there it is. Wow.
Yeah, like I said, it's just a big compression. Try to maintain control. Obviously, unlike I did.
Did you just go too fast, higher up, or?
Like the compression down here is so big, it's like you can't hold it on like with your line, and then with the brake into this.
I mean, it looks like you can hold, you can brake all up until about here.
I just drag brake, and then yeah, I'll probably let go there, and then drag brake again into this. But like I said, you can trash on it. I just did.
Yeah. I don't know. I think I need more rock at the bottom, because it looks sick crazy the whole way up until here. You can't see where the roll is. A little. Damn, now I gotta traverse my fucking bike down this thing. I can't, dude, not today. Maybe we,
There might be a way. Oh no, I don't think there's a way around it.
it looks kind of like there is. Maybe I should have just done Silver Surfer. I probably would have done all that. Are you sure?
Is there?
Does it connect? Does it look like anything connects over there?
It looks like there's a trail here, but
Yeah.
maybe tire tracks.
Well, it's not rideable. It's a hike. I think it's a hike down.
Might be easier.
It definitely is easier. I can't get my bike down that. Yeah, once I get to that notch, I don't know how to get my bike down. I think this is definitely the way. Ooh. Oh yeah, we're good. Whew. Ah! Ah! Whew. Yep, just a little bit too gnarly. Once I get a little more warmed up, a few more days of riding. I haven't ridden in 3-4 weeks. Oh, I missed the show.
Yeah, I feel like it stung me. The rest is chill.
Sweet.
There were crazy moments.
Well, thanks for showing me. It's always nice to eat a little bit of humble pie.
Also, there's a jump here. You can go around it if you go left.
No, I'm sending it, bro.
You can. It's easy.
No. You go around the left. Here. Oh, sick. Oh, that was, had to pull up on that. Oh. Oh. Jeez. A little tight. Oh God. Oh, damn it. Smashed my nuts a little right there. Fucking steep.
Handguards.
Yes, handguards. Oh my God. Whew. Thanks for hanging out. So I think the value in doing that, like purposely going on a trail that on features I can't hit, is just looking at them and like lining them up and seeing how gnarly it is. It makes all the other trails that much smaller.
I was gonna say.
And so, you know what I mean?
It's just like, the more you do it too, it's like the less big it looks.
Exactly. The smaller all the other trails start to feel, the more comfortable, the more confident, and then the more times, you know, eventually you go back and you're like, okay, yeah, I know that. I know what's behind that.